There are so many advantages for shopping online, but shopping on Amazon takes it to a whole nother level with low prices, free shipping, and awesome finds. And if you're a Prime member, it's free 2-day shipping. I will be sharing my favorite Amazon essentials for your home. Nothing is more romantic than having dinner with your partner and your favorite glass of wine by the fire. This is a ventless indoor-outdoor fire pit tabletop by Regal Flame Utopia. It's eco-friendly, it's ventless, and it burns ethanol fuel. You can use it indoors, outdoors, it's elegant, it has a beautiful glow flame, no ash, no smelling of smoke, and it's clean. The hubster and I are having a nice quiet evening on our balcony and on our new patio set. I will link that video down below in case you missed a tour. Every now and then, we treat ourselves to oysters and the dishes from Home Goods, and it was only $8. I put together a quick shrimp cocktail using these vintage shrimp cocktail glasses that I got from a thrift store last spring, and they were only $2.99 each. The bottom of the glass holds the ice to keep the shrimp nice and cold, and I will leave a link to this tabletop fireplace down below. If you are on my Instagram, you may have already seen a peek at my new coffee maker on my Insta story. This is the Black & Decker mill brew with a built-in grinder. It combines the coffee grinder with the brew filter basket for fast, fresh brewing. You can use whole beans or grounds, and it's easy cleanup, and it has a quick touch programming, so when you roll out of bed, your coffee is ready. In case some of you are interested in these jars that are next to my coffee pot, it's a semi-DIY, and my inspiration came from Aram. He's a high-end designer that had beautiful timeless pieces that I just love, but I just don't love his prices. This was an old cotton swab and Q-tip jar that I had in my bathroom that you may remember seeing inside my Habitat Restore bathroom storage cabinet, and I used alcohol to remove the lettering and remove the knob that was on it and epoxy it to the lid. You can find a butterfly knob from Pottery Barn Kids, and I have that high-end look that I love for a lot less. If you love fried foods but you can't have it because we all know it's not good for you, now you can enjoy the taste of fried foods without all of the fat using the G's air fryer. Fry your favorite foods to a crispy brown perfection using an air fryer. It's simple to use. Temperature settings are between 180 and 390 Fahrenheit. Makes it easier for you to cook your food almost every recipe you want to try. The timer settings are up to 40 minutes, and it also has an auto shut off when it's done, or if the frying basket is pulled out. Once you put the basket in, the air fryer powers on instantly. It also has a safety feature to prevent you from hurting yourself. Only when the sheet is open can the button be pressed to remove the basket from the base. On this night, I made turkey, chili, and cheese over French fries, and I browned the turkey and I added a can of Campbell's Chunky Hot and Spicy Chili. After that's all done, I added fries to the basket. 15 minutes later, they were all done golden brown, crispy, crunchy on the outside. It really tastes as if they were deep fried. This is the Just Chef high-speed blender. This is perfect, especially if you're aiming for a healthier lifestyle, and I've had my share of blenders over the years, but this is by far my favorite. It comes with accessories, a handy brush to clean really good between the blades, a stirring rod that mixtures can be stirred while the machine is running, and a lid and a steam cap, and of course instructions. I'm going to be giving you guys a little demo. I'm making the hubster a strawberry and blueberry smoothie. The glass jug is thick and very heavy, which I love because others I've had in the past were plastic, and I'm adding my ice, fruit and milk and protein powder, and I'm securing the lid with the locking feature that's on it. The control panel is very simple to use, and it has different settings for different foods. And what I love about this blender is that you have the option to set the speed and time, so you can DIY your smoothies or juice according to your preference. Let me let you hear how powerful this blender is. Pretty powerful, right? I will provide a link down below for both the air fryer and the blender in my description box. We are moving into fall and I'm so very excited. I added a few French country pieces to our master bedroom that I will be sharing very soon, and I hope you all are inspired, and I want to thank you all for watching.